Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Tuesday 5th of April. And yeah, it's been a kind of like no any significant movement with Bitcoin at this point of time. It's just a little bit weird, moving sideways here and there, creating the suspense, creating the drama, checking out some little bit of people who are actually bearish about it. And the ones who are holding. And we cannot sell until we don't lose some key level of supports, guys. And one more thing is, the offer is still out there. The course is still out there. If you want to take the course to pay with 29 bucks, do so. All you have to do is join the Discord. Come to the Discord, go to the announcement tabs, and once you're on the announcement tabs, you can message me on how to pay with 29 bucks using crypto. Yesterday, we did have some two lucky winners who actually won it for absolutely zero money, and we had some few runner-ups who actually got it for $10 anyway. Now, continuing on with the with the update here, I do notice that there's a little bit of a pressure on the 1 hour time frame that is building up right now. There's a very small breakout of a pattern right here if I actually bring in this. So previously we were actually trying to break it out, but we made a fake out, and right now it's like you're breaking out of it, and you're back testing thing. A very small tiny breakout that can be very positive. You can see here we actually made almost a double top right there, and from this place, this I'm just gonna dive into a little bit of the details. I actually don't look at the 1 hour that much, but it's still important to see a little bit of the 1 hour. Okay, so a lot of rejection of the prices to move to the upside here, and here, here as well, here as well, made a huge fake out, and right now again we are breaking out of it. Can we make a fake out and then again roll to the downside and then go back like this, sideways? But it seems like right now you already broke out of things, and you might just come a little bit down once again to the 46,300, and then boom, you start to move to the upside once again. So is anything negative about Bitcoin? I don't think anything is negative about Bitcoin. Let's dive into the 4 hour time frame and look what is happening. So on the 4 hour time frame, we do have a spinning top. That's a little bit bearish, guys. So this is your spinning top, and normally you're going to see a little bit of red candle. So right now, this red candle might be just a retest of breaking out this huge resistance out over here that you haven't been broken out of in the past few days, ever since 28th of March. It's been 7 days, and finally you have actually broken out of it. So that's really positive. One more evidence that actually tells you that it's a little bit bullish on the daily, though, is that you have a dragonfly doji. Do you see that? A dragonfly doji, and you finally sit above that resistance, which is now turning into support, which is really positive. So from here, guys, it might be that Bitcoin is interested to actually start to push itself to the upside. So if it does actually make a successful small breakout out of this, it's a very small progress, guys. That's the reason why I'm actually diving into it. But if the journey in its way, though, it's in a way that right now Bitcoin is still aiming to go for the 53,800. Okay, and we do know that that's the target of this double bottom right over here, and the big W break out of it, you are looking to go actually right over there. And one more refresher is that we do have a bull cross, and this bull cross is still in play. We never invalidated the bull cross, and all you did right now is two things. You actually went hold the 10, and you've never closed below the 10, which is actually something positive and something that actually happens whenever you're forming that cross. You always sit above the 10. So 2 times you came near the 20, pushed to the upside, close above the 10, came near the 20, pushed to the upside, went above the 10. What is this telling me? The only thing it tells me is that the buyers are actually interested to push the prices higher, and sellers are weak at this point of time. So the buyers are actually winning at the price pushing between the sellers. The dogfight between the buyers and the sellers is what is happening. And that's it for this update, guys. We still are moving in the sideways. We broke out of a small mini trend line right over here. I'm expecting now the push a little bit slowly up to go to the 53k. Who knows, this week, maybe next week. We're gonna get our answers pretty soon enough. And that's it for the update, guys. Do check the course out, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.